Turn $100 into your first investment, a beginner's guide. Did you know that if you invested $100 in Amazon when it first went public in 1997, it would now be worth over $1.5 million? Sounds crazy, right? But that's the power of investing, and you don't need to be rich to start. I'm going to show you how you can start your journey into the stock market with just $100. Yes, you can do it. Hi there. Have you ever heard people talking about the stock market and thought, that's too hard for me? Or maybe you thought you needed a lot of money to start. Well, I've got some good news for you. In this video, I'm going to break it all down so simply that even a fifth grader can understand it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn just $100 into something much bigger. Are you ready? Let's go. Let me tell you a secret. Every successful investor you've ever heard of, people like Warren Buffett, started small. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow into something amazing. And the best part? Anyone can do it. The stock market is like a giant marketplace, but instead of buying toys, snacks, or games, people buy little pieces of companies. These little pieces are called stocks. Let's imagine this. You love eating burgers at McDonald's, right? Did you know that you can actually own a small part of McDonald's? When you buy McDonald's stock, you become a part owner of the company. How cool is that? Here's why investing is awesome. When you invest, your money works for you. Imagine planting a tiny seed in the ground. Over time, it grows into a big tree with lots of fruit. That's what happens when you invest your money. And guess what? The earlier you start, the bigger your tree grows. Why? Because of something called compound interest. Let me explain it in a super simple way. Let's say you put $100 in the stock market and it grows by 10% each year. After the first year, you'll have $110. But next year, you don't just earn money on your $100. You also earn money on that extra $10. That's how your money keeps growing and growing. Think of it like a video game. When you start, you're at level 1 with only 100 coins. But each time you level up, you earn coins faster and faster. By the time you reach level 10, you've got a treasure chest full of coins. That's what investing does for your money. To start investing, you need a tool called a brokerage account. It's like a bank account, but instead of just saving your money, it lets you buy stocks. Some beginner-friendly platforms are Robinhood, eToro, Fidelity Investments, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or TD Ameritrade. They're kind of like an app for investing, and the best part? You can start with as little as $1. I will put the links in the description for your easy access, so you can explore these platforms and see which one works best for you. Don't worry, they are all user-friendly and designed to help beginners take their first steps into investing. It's all simple and not scary. Opening an account is as easy as signing up for TikTok or Instagram. You just need to 1. Download the app or visit their website. 2. Fill in your basic info, like your name and email. 3. Connect your bank account. And that's it, you're ready to go. Now comes the fun part, choosing your stocks. Start simple. Think about companies you already know and love. Do you love Nike shoes? What about Disney movies? You can own a small part of those companies by buying their stocks. It's like being on the same team as your favorite brands. Here's a big word, but don't worry. It's easy to understand. Diversification. It just means don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead of spending your $100 on one stock, you can spread it across a few different companies. For example, $25 in Nike, $25 in Disney, $50 in an ETF, which is like a basket of different stocks. That way, if one company doesn't do well, the others can help balance it out. Let me tell you about Emma. She's 12 years old and started investing with $100 in companies she loved, like Roblox and Apple. She didn't get rich overnight, but in just a few years, her $100 turned into $500. It's like her money went to work and brought back friends. Now it's your turn to start. Here's your easy checklist. Pick a brokerage app like Robinhood or eToro. Open an account. It's free and easy. Deposit your $100. Choose a few stocks or an ETF to invest in. And you're done. You've taken your first step into the stock market. Comment below. What's the first company you would invest in? I'd love to hear your ideas. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips about money and investing. Remember, even the biggest trees start as tiny seeds. Your $100 today could grow into something amazing tomorrow. The best time to start is right now. Let's grow your financial future together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos that make money easy to understand. See you next time.